Go to Entry menu. Select Single Receipt Payment. Click on Add button. Select Date, Receipt. Select Type. Select Receipt for payment. And select Transaction Type. Enter reference number. Select Bank. Select Party Account. Enter the amount. Enter the narration. Click on Save. Click on Add button. Select Date Payment. Select Payment. Select Party Account. Select Party Account. Enter the narration. Close this window. Go to Report. Select Account Ledger. Click on Only Selected Accounts. Select the account. Click OK. Kindly check your data. Kindly contact our support team for further assistance.